Are you taking magnesium supplements but dealing with horrible stomach pain, cramps, or running to the bathroom every hour? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why magnesium is destroying your stomach and the simple fixes that will change everything. You absolutely have to know this. Hey everyone, and welcome to Revitamen. We're going to cover everything you need to know about magnesium and your digestive system. But make sure you stick around till the end, because the number one solution is something 95% of people don't know about, and I guarantee it will completely change how you take magnesium forever. All right, let's not waste any time. The biggest reason magnesium is wrecking your stomach, and we're starting with this because it's absolutely critical, is that you're taking the wrong form of magnesium. Let me explain why this is so important. There are actually 7 different types of magnesium supplements on the market, and here's the shocking truth. Magnesium oxide, which is the cheapest and most common form you'll find at your local pharmacy, has only a 4% absorption rate. That means 96% of what you're taking is just sitting in your intestines, pulling water into your bowels, and causing massive digestive distress. Your body literally can't use it, so it's flushing it out as fast as possible, and that's why you're experiencing cramping, bloating, and diarrhea. If you can just switch to the right form of magnesium, you'll already be ahead of 90% of people taking supplements. And if you thought that was eye-opening, you have no idea what's coming. The final solution we'll cover at the end of this video is a game changer that most doctors don't even tell their patients about, and it's going to solve your magnesium problem once and for all. Okay, moving on to mistake number 6, which is taking your magnesium on an empty stomach. This is absolutely crucial to understand. Magnesium is a mineral salt, and when it hits an empty stomach with nothing to buffer it, it's like throwing acid directly onto your stomach lining. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid to digest food, and when magnesium interacts with this acid without any food present, it creates an incredibly harsh environment. Think about it like this. Would you drink a glass of lemon juice on an empty stomach first thing in the morning? Probably not, because it would burn. Magnesium does something similar. The solution here is incredibly simple. Always take your magnesium with a meal, preferably one that contains some healthy fats. The fats help slow down the absorption and create a protective coating in your digestive tract. Try taking your magnesium with breakfast or dinner, and you'll notice an immediate difference in how your stomach feels. Next up is mistake number 5. You're taking way too much magnesium at once. Here's what you need to understand about your body's absorption capacity. Your intestines can only absorb about 200 milligrams of magnesium at a time. Anything beyond that is just going to sit there and cause problems. I see so many people taking 500 or even 700 milligram doses all at once because they read that the daily recommended amount is around 400 milligrams for men and 320 milligrams for women. But your body doesn't work like that. It can't process that much magnesium in one sitting. What happens to the excess? It draws water into your intestines through a process called osmosis, and boom, you've got cramping, bloating, and a miserable day ahead of you. The fix is to split your dose throughout the day. If you need 400 milligrams total, take 200 in the morning with breakfast and 200 in the evening with dinner. This gives your body time to actually absorb the magnesium instead of just flushing it out. Your stomach will thank you, and you'll actually get the benefits you're paying for. Another common one is mistake number 4. You're combining magnesium with the wrong supplements or medications. This is something almost nobody talks about, but it's incredibly important. Magnesium can interact with certain medications and other supplements in ways that make stomach problems way worse. For example, if you're taking calcium supplements at the same time as magnesium, they compete for absorption in your gut. This competition slows everything down and can cause serious constipation or, paradoxically, diarrhea if your body can't process both minerals efficiently. The same thing happens with iron supplements. They need to be taken at different times of the day, at least 2 to 3 hours apart. And here's a big one. If you're on antibiotics, especially tetracycline or fluoroquinolone antibiotics, magnesium can bind to these medications in your stomach and make both the antibiotic and the magnesium ineffective. Plus, this binding creates compounds that irritate your stomach lining even more. If you're on any prescription medications, especially for your heart, blood pressure, or antibiotics, you need to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about timing your magnesium correctly. Usually, spacing them out by at least 2 hours solves the problem completely. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, and this is another incredibly important one. You're not drinking enough water with your magnesium. I know this sounds simple, almost too simple, but it's absolutely critical. Magnesium supplements need adequate water to dissolve properly in your digestive system. When you take a magnesium pill with just a tiny sip of water, it doesn't fully dissolve. Instead, it sits in your stomach or intestines as a concentrated mass, and this concentration is what causes burning, cramping, and severe discomfort. Think of it like trying to dissolve salt in a teaspoon of water versus a full glass. In the teaspoon, you get a super salty, harsh solution. In a full glass, it distributes evenly and becomes much gentler. Your digestive system works the same way. When you take magnesium, drink at least 8 to 12 ounces of water with it. Even better, drink a glass of water 30 minutes before and another glass 30 minutes after. This ensures the magnesium is properly diluted and can move through your system smoothly. Dehydration makes every single magnesium side effect worse, so staying hydrated is absolutely non-negotiable. If you're experiencing stomach pain with magnesium, increase your water intake first before changing anything else. You'll be shocked at how much this simple change can help. Moving on to mistake number 2, and this is another incredibly important one. You're taking magnesium at the wrong time of day. Timing matters way more than most people realize. Magnesium has a natural relaxing effect on your muscles, including the smooth muscles in your digestive tract. If you take it first thing in the morning, especially a high dose, it can slow down your entire digestive system right when your body is trying to wake up and get moving. This creates a sluggish, uncomfortable feeling in your gut that can last for hours. On the flip side, some forms of magnesium are specifically designed to be energizing, like magnesium malate or magnesium taurate. If you take these at night, they might keep you awake and revved up when you're trying to sleep, and that stress on your body can manifest as stomach discomfort. Here's my recommendation based on years of research and working with people. If you're taking magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, which are calming forms, take them in the evening about an hour before bed with a light snack. If you're taking magnesium malate or citrate for energy or bowel regularity, take them in the morning with breakfast. Match the form of magnesium to your body's natural rhythm, and you'll eliminate so many digestive issues. Your body has a circadian rhythm, and working with it instead of against it makes all the difference.
And now we're at the second to last solution, and this one is absolutely game-changing. You need to try topical magnesium instead of oral supplements. This is something I see almost everyone ignoring, and it's sabotaging your results. Here's the reality. Not everyone's digestive system can handle oral magnesium, no matter what form you take or how you time it. Some people have sensitive stomachs, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or other digestive conditions that make oral magnesium nearly impossible to tolerate. But here's the beautiful thing. Your skin is an incredible absorption organ. Topical magnesium, whether it's magnesium oil, magnesium lotion, or magnesium bath salts, bypasses your entire digestive system completely. You spray it on your skin or soak in a bath, and the magnesium absorbs directly through your skin into your bloodstream. No stomach pain, no cramping, no bathroom emergencies. Studies have shown that transdermal magnesium absorption is actually quite effective, especially for muscle recovery and relaxation. You can apply magnesium oil to your feet before bed, rub magnesium lotion on sore muscles after a workout, or take a 20-minute bath with 2 cups of magnesium flakes twice a week. Some people do experience a slight tingling sensation when they first start using magnesium oil, but that goes away after a few applications. If you've tried everything else and your stomach still can't handle oral magnesium, topical magnesium is your answer. You still get all the benefits, better sleep, reduced muscle cramps, improved mood, lower stress, without any of the digestive nightmare. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 solution that will fix your magnesium stomach problems forever is switching to magnesium glycinate with added digestive enzymes. Here's why this is the ultimate answer. Magnesium glycinate is the most gentle, bioavailable form of magnesium available. It's chelated, which means it's bound to the amino acid glycine, and this makes it incredibly easy for your body to absorb without causing laxative effects. But here's the secret that takes it to the next level. When you combine magnesium glycinate with digestive enzymes like protease, lipase, and amylase, you're giving your stomach exactly what it needs to break down and process the magnesium smoothly. These enzymes help your body digest not just the magnesium, but everything else you're eating, which reduces overall digestive stress. You can find supplements that combine magnesium glycinate with enzyme blends, or you can take a separate digestive enzyme capsule with your magnesium. I've seen people who suffered for years with magnesium-related stomach issues completely turn things around in just 3 days by making this one change. Your stomach pain disappears, you actually absorb the magnesium, and you get all the incredible benefits without any suffering. So there you have it, the 7 biggest reasons magnesium is destroying your stomach and exactly how to fix every single one of them. We covered switching to the right form of magnesium, taking it with food, splitting your doses, avoiding bad combinations, drinking more water, timing it correctly, and of course, the ultimate solution, magnesium glycinate with digestive enzymes. Now I have a question for you. Which of these mistakes were you making? Be honest and let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and I want to hear your story. If you got value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.